Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings. This puts you in control. Once there, you navigate to Privacy and Security, and then Site Settings so you can reach additional permissions. You look for Mail or Handlers because Chrome treats Mailto links as a handler type. This first step exposes the current default and lets you remove or change entries. Do this now so the rest of the process configures a fresh mail handler without legacy conflicts. Next, enable sites asking to become default handlers so webmail can register itself. This is why you might have missed the prompt before. Then open the mail web app you prefer, like Gmail or Outlook, and accept the browser's handler request when it appears. That action links Mailto to your account. If the prompt does not show, go back to Site Settings Handlers and add the web app manually by copying its origin. Once done, confirm the new handler appears in the list. To finish, you test Mailto, links on several sites to ensure they open the chosen webmail. If a wrong app still appears, remove the handler entry and re-register the webmail. Clearing the cache setting often fixes conflicts. Also make sure extensions are not intercepting Mailto links. Disable suspicious ones briefly. Finally, update Chrome and restart the browser because outdated versions sometimes ignore handler changes. If problems persist, revisit handlers and repeat the registration process carefully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.